Hey, today's day 4.
And I got camping here.
We're going to take a hike up into behind Science Lake in Allegany State Park. There used to be a science school up in the woods, and it's all pretty much gone now, but we're going to see if we can find what is left of it. Right? Stay tuned. We're on the other side of the lake from the road. There's a little fishing pier up on the end and the spillway. We're on top of the spillway. See the fish swimming down the hole. They've got it blocked off so nobody's walking across it. And this is where they can open it up and let the water out. Close it up more to make the water higher. We're going to try to go down in by the creek down below and see what it looks like from down there. We didn't find any type of the ruins or the foundations of the old buildings for the science school. I have a feeling that we have to come up here in the fall or early spring when there's not as much green and kind of wander around through the woods up here. And we won't be able to find it then. That was a very short trail,
Nice and easy.
But we needed to have a nice and easy trail for Buddy to walk on, and I think he enjoyed it. What do you think, Buddy? I think he approves.